Today I'm going to be doing a bike check. It's my first video. I'm just going to introduce my bike before all my other legit videos. Alright. We're going to start from the top and then we're going to follow down the bike. Alright, now. My handlebars are Stolen Divine bars. They're really nice. It's an 8.9 rise. They're really good. You should get them off the dance floor. They're on sale. I have ODI Super Softies Long Mix. They're great. I have a Sunday Top Load Freeze Stem, and it's really nice. It gives you a bigger rise. My headset's at Pro Max. It's really nice. You can go to ETs and alcohol and just grab a headset like that. There's multiple colors. My tire is a Demolition Momentum tire. It's really good for parks and street. Not so much for dirt. You slip a lot. And my rim is a Redline Monster rim. It's a racing rim. The hub is an Alienation. It's really nice. Down to the frame. My frame is a Stolen Stereo. It's 4.5 pounds. It's $150. It's pretty nice. My cranks, they are Stolen Casino cranks, and they are nice. They'll last you quite a while. My pedals are Thermalite. They're not big, but they'll last you a while. Oh yeah, my forks. They are Stolen Casino forks. They're nice. And yeah. My seat is a Stolen. It's really nice. It's pretty comfortable. My sprocket is a Stolen Casino. It's really nice. My chain is just a standard. Nothing really good about it. I mean, it's nothing really maxed about it. My back rim is the hub's the same as an Alienation, but it's sealed. And my tire is Demolition. Both of them are 20 by 2.35. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys later.